Crypto is good and crypto is bad. Crypto is good if say you understand what you're doing. Crypto is bad if say you don't understand what you're doing. I've been in this industry for a while now, and what I've learned so far is that when you understand what you're doing in this industry, you are preparing yourself to success. But if say you don't understand what you do in this industry, then you're preparing yourself to failure. I mean, whatever cryptos you're going to be buying out there, if say you don't know what you're doing, you might end up losing everything. If you understand what you're doing, then the cryptos you're going to be buying are going to make money long term for you, because what you're going to be buying, I think at least to an extent, even not all of them, but some of them are going to be part of the top cryptocurrencies out there in the future, because what you're going to be buying will be based on education, not hearsay. Why am I telling you this? The reason I'm telling you this is most of the people who come into cryptocurrency the first time make this mistake to want to just go and buy without them knowing what they are buying. And in the end, they will say crypto is a scam, or this guy told me to buy this, or this guy told me to buy that. I've met with people who say crypto is not good, crypto is bad. And I agree with them, saying that crypto is bad. But I told them what really makes crypto bad is because they don't understand what crypto is all about. So in that case, there's nothing I can say to them that will change their mind about cryptocurrency, because they got into cryptocurrency through the wrong way. And this is what I don't want you to do. If say you are interested in this industry, you have heard people talk about crypto, you want to get to know more about this industry, you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, or you want to buy any cryptos out there, what I will say to you right now is that make sure you understand why you want to buy Bitcoin, why you want to buy Ethereum, why you want to buy that cryptocurrency, or why you want to invest in crypto in general. What is it about crypto that has made you to want to spend your hard-earned money long term or short term? So if say you come to this conclusion with yourself that I'm buying Bitcoin because of this, I'm buying Ethereum because of this, I'm buying Dogecoin because of this, or I'm buying whatsoever cryptos out there because of this, it will help you to know when to buy it, how to buy it, and when to take out profit. It will help you to seek the best advice, to ask questions that you get the right answers. But if say you dive into it straight away, you won't have time to ask those questions that will help you to be successful in this industry. If say you want to take your investment journey to the next level, if say you want to get first-hand information about the basics in this industry, if say you want to understand everything crypto before you get started, then I want to recommend you to connect with me through the links below this video. I have a course that I took time to explain to you to make you understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency before you can embark buying different cryptos out there. I also educate you on how to avoid crypto scams out there, because there are a lot of crypto scams out there that you might fall prey to. So make sure you connect with me. Don't go and buy just because you want to buy. It won't help you in any way. It's better for you to pay someone to learn rather than to go and lose money somewhere, right? So if say you really want to dive into this, then you know what to do. Again, below this video, there are links to connect with me, so I can teach you one-on-one. See you when you connect with me. Bye-bye.